everyone, it's Jennifer, and for today's video I want to do a get ready with me. So I want to do put some makeup on and just like have fun with it. So I have no idea what I want to do, but I know I want to do something like brown. I'm really into warm colors. I am not a cool person at all. Cool as in like cool toned person. Like, I don't know, I just don't play too much with those colors. I guess I don't have much cool tone palettes. So if you just want to see me play around with makeup, then just keep watching. So I really want to start with obviously the primer, and I want to show you guys the this box that I got from Influenster. And so if you're interested in getting like free makeup or anything, you just download the Influencer app and you just register and everything. You have to link your accounts, and based on, I guess, I don't know if it's based on following that you have or based on how many followers you have. I don't know if that depends on what they send you, but you do get free makeup there, and they send you free makeup. So they send me this, and this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I've only tried one Smashbox primer, and it was this one, the clear one, like a while ago. It was a little sample, and I wasn't a fan of it just because I have really oily skin, and I feel like it didn't help with that. So I'm glad to try it again. And when you open it, you have the products in here. And yes, so I already opened it because I was curious to see what kind of Smashbox primer it was. And it's this one, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. And I guess this is the original. So yeah, I'm really excited to try it out. It's literally a full-size primer, so I think we can tell right away if this will work for me or not. And then they also sent me this Photo Finish Primerizer, which is a primer and a moisturizer. So I'm really excited to try this out. And this is I'm sure is a sample. It's a pretty big sample for me. But yeah, it's like about that size. And then they also sent the primer water, which I've never tried the primer water before. I like water. I like spraying myself with water. So yeah, I'm excited to try this as well. This is the Set and Refresh Spray. So it's a pretty decent amount of stuff that you get for free. You just have to post about it, whether you like it or you don't like it. They have rules and regulations on their website. So if you decide to post it, you have to put that you obviously got it for free or complimentary, and you have to post on Smashbox's website saying if you like it or not or what you thought about it. So those are pretty much the rules, but other than that, you're getting free makeup, so there's like nothing wrong with that. So I got this a little bit ago, but I like with the pregnancy and everything, if you guys don't know, I did a video basically about my pregnancy. And so when I found out at 6 weeks. I haven't worn makeup. So right now I'm 11 weeks, but by the time that this video is up, I'll probably be 12 weeks or 13 weeks. So yeah, since I found out, I haven't been wanting to wear any makeup. So I got this box probably like a week after I found out, and it's just been sitting there because I've been really wanting to put videos up, but I haven't been feeling really good, and then I had school and stuff, so I just didn't have any time. But now I'm feeling so much better now that I'm almost hitting the second trimester mark. But I want to do a whole nother video just about that. So the primerizer, I'm not going to use it today just because I really want to test out the actual primer, which is the reason for this video. So the thing that surprised me about this primer is like it's very liquidy. Like it's not super liquidy, but it's has that consistency. It definitely has a silicone like gel consistency, but I felt it kind of liquidy, and it doesn't smell good. Like it just smells like chemicals. But so now for foundation, I really want to try out this e.l.f. foundation, and I haven't really been able to try it out because I haven't, like I said, I haven't been wearing makeup for a few weeks now, and I think when I got this, I never got a chance to try it out. So that's on one side of my face. The color definitely could be a little darker, I would say, because I am a little bit more warmer, but honestly I don't have a problem with it at all. For right now, the way that it looks, the way that it is, it's perfect. So our foundation is on, and I think it looks really good, and honestly it's set really fast. So this literally $10 foundation, I think it was less than $10 for sure. It's honestly, I think it's pretty good. So let's jump to concealer, and I think I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna use this one. This is one of my favorites from IT Cosmetics. It's the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, and I have it in the color medium. And what I like about this is that this tube lasts me for a long time, because I only need to use like a chia seed amount. Like, that's how much I need just to cover. And honestly, like, if you blend it between your fingers, like the warmth of your fingers, I don't know, it just like multiplies it. I don't know, I just love it. It looks so pretty. It covers my under eye circles, and I don't know, it looks very natural. Perfect. So you see how beautiful it blended out, and it just looks like it's part of your face. It doesn't look like you have makeup on. And I like the foundation doesn't even look like I have foundation on. It doesn't feel like I have foundation on, but I'm still gonna set it anyway, just because I have oily skin. So I'm gonna use the banana setting powder, and that's like the name of it. I guess that's the name of the brand, and it's in medium. So just gonna set all over my face because I need that. Perfect. So as you guys can see, I set everywhere, just because I hate it when I feel oily, like after I do my makeup. So I'm just gonna like let that sit there while we do our eyes. Actually, let's do our eyebrows first. And what I'm gonna use is the Anastasia Brow Wiz, if I could find it. So dark brown, the usual. I also really like the ColourPop one. I think it's like a beautiful dupe for this, price wise and everything wise. I think this little hair is annoying. I think they both work really well. That was fast. Yeah, I usually set my brows with a gel. I don't have it here, so I'm gonna go get it. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just set my brows with the Milani brow gel, and I believe that one is in brown. Okay, so now we're gonna do the eyes, and I think I'm just gonna stick to this palette. I really like just the colors in it, and I think it's just what I want. So I'm going to use, if you guys don't know which one this one is, it's the Clay Play Face Shaping Palette, and this is Tarte, obviously. So I really love this mirror. It's like huge. I use this mirror like all the time. So yeah, let's see. Let's use, I guess, just like this color right here called Sand, just to, I don't know, powder down our eyebrows, our eyelids. Taking a fluffy brush just to blend that color out. Anytime someone that likes makeup says they're gonna do a simple look, that never happens. So I just love playing with, I don't know, everything. And just take it to the front. I don't know if it's because of the clay format that this has, but they're so pigmented, like just literally a sweep of the color. They get just so much color comes out of it. I love Tarte. The foundation that I've been really wanting to try is the NARS foundation, but I haven't gotten around to it, and it's kind of expensive. So if you guys have tried it before, let me know how it worked for you if you have oily skin. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and put some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I ended up just putting mascara on, and I'm gonna put some of the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby highlighter on my brow bone right here, because I love this gold highlighter so much. And in the inner corner, why not? Wish you guys can see this in person. It's so beautiful. I really liked how it came out, but that gold highlighter, it's just amazing. So what I'm gonna do is remove all this powder that we still have and start bronzing. Same palette, using the Desert, which is this color right here. You guys can see this one, and I mix these two together. I feel like it just looks better that way. So I need to learn how to like perfectly contour better and bronze up my face, looking for like a good bronzer. Milani is so good, but if you guys like have like a good bronzer, if you're my skin tone, great. If not, that's fine. I'll check out what color options they have. But if you guys have a good bronzer in mind, let me know, and don't recommend me like a $50 bronzer, because I already spent almost $40 on this one, and this is the Park Avenue Princess by Tarte. This honestly did not work for me. I really don't like it. I don't see any color payoff. I really just don't think this is worth the money. I was so mad because I'm like, what am I gonna do with all this now? So I'm just gonna use it up. I don't know what I'm gonna use it, but I'm just gonna have it. I like the packaging. I like that it's compact and everything, and it looks really pretty, but it just didn't work for me. Okay, so the color I ended up using is this one from Huda Beauty. It's in the color Trophy Wife. The brush, the color, the pigment, and the smell of this, it smells so good. I think these lipsticks retail for like $20 or more, I don't know, but this is my first one and I really like it. So yeah, I hope that you guys like this little look, like this little get ready with me. It wasn't anything special, just really wanted to film. I really like filming. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Like I said, if you do, just leave a thumbs up, and yeah, leave me any comments in the comment section of the bronzers, which one you guys recommend, and also for foundation, the NARS foundation, if you guys have it. If you guys have oily skin, did it work for you? So yeah, that'll be great. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.